We can hopefully work on it tonight or tomorrow and see what we got. Just in time, guys. It's all raining. So we have it. It's in the shop, leaking brake fluid and oil. This side's brake fluid. This is the one that's busted. So yeah, luckily it's in here before it keeps raining. Hopefully it can dry out, come back and start working on it again, wash some of the stuff off. So yeah, finish getting this thing painted, get glass in it, and keep cruising with it, guys. Alright guys, welcome to this episode of Wide Open Throttle Garage. As you can see, we have made it in the shop. We have a shop. We got a place to work. And thanks to my buddy Warren for letting me use the spot for a little while temporarily so we can work on the Beetle. So tonight I want to make a game plan of what we can do to get this done. So definitely being set out for a little while. It needs clean. It needs some cleaning up to do. Maybe take off the dirt and the dust and the junk that's been stuck on it. I'm sitting out in the field for the last couple weeks, and of course it rained while we had it out there. It hadn't rained for 6 months, but it rained as soon as we put the Beetle out in the field. I'll work on taking more of the parts and stuff out of the inside since it was a temporary storage facility. I'm going to take the battery back off and put it back on a trickle charger, so we are ready to go with that. So definitely still need to reupholster the rear seats. Like I said, I got the new foam for that. That will be coming up. I really want to focus on the outside, getting it all done, getting the final coat on it of all the paint so that we can final assemble and redo all the seals that go in between the fenders and all the put the windows in and all the glass and all the new seals in the windows. Be able to work on getting covers and things on the exterior so I can make it functional and drive around a bit more. So first thing I want to do is strip exterior, clean exterior, clean out car. That's our next steps. Sand down, re-tape, paint, exterior final. So that's kind of the game plan. I want to work on these. I don't know what's going on with that bolt right there. If I had to go get a tool, because I don't have any tools here yet. Alright guys, stripping exterior check. So I'm gonna clean up the main body right now. There's like dirt and some stuff on it from sitting out, or bird crap, or you see the tires are dirty. It was raining and it was wet when I drove here, so there's like sand and all kinds of crap on it. I'll have to clean that later, but all the paint surfaces I want to get all cleaned up. Okay, my wife does check up on me and watch my stuff, or support me, whatever you want to call it. Don't tell her I took this. This is a microfiber kitchen towel cloth she uses for the dishes. I stole it to work on the Volkswagen. It was worth the sacrifice. It was worth it. That's what I'll tell myself. Alright, we got it cleaned up. Got a lot of dirt I'll mess with. I'm going to definitely do it again. I didn't want to spray water in here because it's not my garage and I don't have a pressure washer. But I need to definitely spray out the wheel wells and along the bottom there. It's neat to see where the water ran and sat and where dirt is, so I know where to put heavier coats of paint and where things splash, like in the wheel wells and stuff, on different edges and spots, and up under the hood up in there. So being able to see that, and I can make it the paint thicker, hopefully make it last longer and be more repellent for longer with the elements and the sand and the dirt and the water. So that was cool to see. So I'm working on getting all that stuff out of the car. Seat malfunction. That's a full recline seat, custom Volkswagen lay down seat. Can't buy them anywhere but here. So yeah, it's cool. Or it popped off the rails and we're gonna have to fix that. So if you know how to fix that, let me know. I did see new seat frames and rails and everything ready to be upholstered, but I just reupholstered those, so I don't really want to buy another upholstery kit. I guess I can always take those off and do it on the other one. But yeah, got it cleaned out, got all the stuff out. I'm going to have to put the battery in the trickle charger. Got some trash down there to clean up. Finish the electrical tuck-in for the ignition switch. Figure out what we're going to do with the radio. And start working on some of the sanding and repainting metal in here. Will be interior, brand new black door cards, black carpet kit, all the pieces up there already black and kind of tan. Then we have an ivory roof, so it should be a pretty cool scheme when we get it done. Alright. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Wide Open Throttle Garage. We got a few of those things done on our checklist. Definitely more to come for Monday and Tuesday. You saw them on the checklist. Start sanding, prepping, painting. You gotta get this outside done. You gotta get it all done. You gotta get it done, put the seals in, put the windows in, and we're good to go. So things have progressed. Some of the paint is still looking good. The top we already pre-sanded. I'm going to sand it again. There's a few spots from bird crap. I don't know if the acid and stuff will make it weird. So I'm going to re-sand the outside of the car, re-tape up stuff. But a huge shout out to you guys for helping me to keep my head up and encouraging me and keep me going on this build. I know it's been kind of delayed for a little bit with things that has happened and life takes over, but we're back on it. So make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that little notification because a lot more videos are going to be coming out for this build over the next couple of weeks. I'm really going to throw some videos at you, so make sure you're following along with this build. And again, just a shout out to all you guys. I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers. Things have been awesome. All the comments, all the love and hate, thumbs up and thumbs down, and everybody contributing to the channel, to the build, to the things I've done. It's been awesome. I had a subscriber, one of you guys, who watched some of my older stuff where I did a Subaru WRX engine swap with the JDM engine. They just sent me a video of the car running, showing me that they could do it, and it's pretty awesome that they sent that to me. It's been awesome being to help people out, learn how to do things, willing to try it on their own in their own garage, doing engine swaps on Subarus, etc. Just like this, we started out as a 30-day restoration challenge. I'm on about 40 days of actually physically working on it. It's been hard, but it's been a really cool challenge to see what you really need to restore a car with your skills in your garage. Because I'm not a pro. There's things I don't really like, things I love, things I didn't know I could do until I tried with this build. So it's been really awesome to learn how to restore and repair and to build and to fix these things on the Volkswagen, and to show me that I can do anything really if I want to try. So again, thanks to you guys for tuning in, for following along with these builds and the things I've been doing the last year and a half. And it's just something I really enjoy. This is my therapy, and I really have enjoyed putting out YouTube content, working on cars, planning and getting things together for more builds for you guys, so you can follow along with the great adventures of Wide Open Throttle Garage. And again, thanks guys. I really appreciate it. Until next time.